gentlemen, thank you for joining us again. I am reading from where I ended last time. We are still on chapter number 1 of our book, Broken Vows and Broken Faith. We are seeking to build, heal, and restore godly marriages. I read, affectionate or familiar love, also called storge. This type of love is grounded in deep affection, trust, and emotional warmth. Unlike the passionate and often intense nature of romantic love, storge develops slowly and steadily over time. It is most commonly found in the bonds between parents and children, siblings, or lifelong friends. This love is quiet but powerful, marked by a sense of familiarity, loyalty, and enduring care. While this book primarily centers on romantic love, storge holds an essential place in the broader landscape of human connection. It represents the kind of love that nurtures us from birth, shapes our emotional foundation, and provides a sense of belonging. Familiar love or storge is often the first love we experience and one that continues to support us throughout our lives. It reminds us that love is not always fiery or dramatic. It can be steady, unconditional, and lifelong.